Welcome to this tutorial on receive-job, the PowerShell cmdlet for getting job results. This is part of our PowerShell Jobs series where we explore background job management in PowerShell. Receive-job is a cmdlet that retrieves output from background jobs that have completed or are still running. Think of it as the tool that collects the results from jobs you've started in the background, allowing you to see what those jobs have produced. The basic syntax of receive-job is straightforward. You can use it with the -job parameter followed by a job object, with the -id parameter followed by a job ID number, or with the -name parameter followed by a job name in quotes. These three methods give you flexibility in how you reference the jobs you want results from. Let's look at a simple example. First, we start a background job using start-job with a script block that gets the first 5 processes. We store this in the $job variable. Next, we wait for the job to complete using wait-job. Finally, we retrieve the results using receive-job with the -job parameter and our job variable. This pattern is the foundation of working with job results. Here's something important to understand. By default, job results are deleted after you retrieve them. This means if you call receive-job a second time on the same job, you'll get nothing back. To preserve the results so you can retrieve them multiple times, use the -keep parameter. This keeps the output stored in the job object even after you've received it. You don't have to wait for a job to complete before retrieving results. You can retrieve partial results from jobs that are still running. By calling receive-job with the -keep parameter on a running job, you'll get whatever output has been produced so far. This is useful for monitoring long-running jobs and seeing their progress in real time. When working with multiple jobs, you can retrieve results from all of them at once. First, use get-job and pipe it to where-object to filter for jobs where the state property equals completed. Store these in the $completed variable. Then, pipe this collection to receive-job to get all the results at once. This approach is efficient when managing multiple background tasks. Let's recap the key points. Receive-job retrieves output from background jobs. Remember that results are deleted by default after retrieval, so use the -keep parameter to preserve them if you need to access results multiple times. Finally, receive-job works with both running and completed jobs, giving you flexibility in how you monitor and collect job output. That's everything you need to know about retrieving job results in PowerShell.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.